Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Mean, Median, Mode, and Range. That's right, today we're going to be talking about the mean, median, mode, and range, but we're also going to be adding on to that the upper quartile, lower quartile, and the interquartile range. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Okay, so let's dive into it by doing the mean first. Ladies and gentlemen, to find the mean, you gotta add it all up, then divide the sum by the number of numbers. So what we're going to do is we're gonna add up each of these individual data points by putting a plus sign between them. And if we do that effectively, we're gonna add them all up and, drumroll please, the sum is 60. All of those add together to equal 60, but remember, we have to divide the sum by the number of numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to divide this sum by 10. And as everybody knows, 60 divided by 10 is 6. Good job. So the mean is 6. What I mean with mean is that we're averaging, or we're finding the average of the data set, which is what we have done. And now, children, we must move on with our lives to the median. When I say median, you say middle. Median, middle, median, middle. When I say median, you say middle. Median, middle. Okay. So now, very important that you order your numbers from least to greatest, which I have conveniently done for you. It's all ready for you. So now all we have to do is find the middle number by using a very scientific method called Joe Flow. Joe Flow. Joe Flow. Joe Flow. Joe Flow. Jello! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if we have two numbers in the middle, do you remember what we can do? Well, first, we could add them together. What's 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is 12. And then we just divide it by 2. So if ever you have two numbers in the middle and you want to find the median, just add them together, divide by 2. Everybody knows that everybody knows that 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the median is 6. Or, if you'd rather, you can simply look at 5 and 7 and be like, what number goes exactly in the middle of 5 and 7? Well, 6. 5, 6, 7. Now, you'll notice that I've conveniently placed a line right where the median would be, because we're also going to make a box and whisker plot. And the first step to that would be to put a line under the median. So now that we've done that, we're going to move on with our lives, and we're going to do our next thing, which is the mode. Mode occurs the most. Most occurring number. Yo, I'm the mode, and I must be treated with respect because I'm the most repeated. All right. One of these numbers is not like the other ones, in that there is more of that particular number. So, are there more 2s than everything else? No. Are there more 3s than everything else? No. Are there more 4s? Oh, there's 2 4s. No. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're saying that the mode is 9, if you are screaming at your phone or your computer screen that the mode is 9, then you are correct. Because 9's the most repeated, so that's the mode. And then the next one, I got the range. Take the biggest, subtract the smallest. Holler at me if you got the range. So what we have here is we have the largest number, 9. Subtract the smallest number, 2. Y'all, what's 9 minus 2? You can use your fingers if you need to. 8, 7. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the range is 7. So now we found mean, median, mode, and range, but we've got to figure out our upper quartile, lower quartile, and interquartile range. Well, we already started that by making a box and whisker plot. Remember, we put a green line under the median? Now all we have to do is find the median of the upper half, and that will be our upper quartile. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Using the same method, Joe Flo. Joe, Flo. Jello! Ladies and gentlemen, the upper quartile is 9 because that is the median of the upper half. And that's going to be the first part of our box and whisker plot. And now we're going to do the same thing down below. Hold up, I need to write stuff down here. So the upper quartile we said was 9. So we're going to put a 9 right there. Now let's find the median of the lower half. Joe, Flo. Joe, Flo. Jello! Ladies and gentlemen, the median of the lower half is going to be 4. So before we move on, we're going to put a line right under the 4, and we're going to add to this particular box. And now we have put a 4 for the lower quartile. And the whisker part comes in when you extend a whisker out to the upper extreme, which is 9. And then the lower extreme or lowest value, which is 2. And now you have a lovely little box and whisker plot, and we are prepared to come up with the interquartile range. So to do that, all we do is we take the upper quartile, which is 9, and we subtract the lower quartile, which is 4. So what is 9? Subtract 4. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you said it is 5, then you are absolutely correct. We have accomplished the impossible. We have done it together, and we will pat ourselves on the back and be proud. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm signing out. I do hope that was helpful. Y'all have a good day. Bye.